Hello everyone, this is Vamsi and welcome to VMM. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a classic task manager in Notion. Let's start with an empty page and name it Task Manager. You may name it as per your liking. For this, we're going to use full width page with 2 columns for all the pages we create. We're going to have Smart List on the left and Task Database on the right. Please do note that you cannot create a table inline and drag it to the side of an existing block to create a new column. You have to drag an empty block to create a new column and then insert a table inside that new empty block. Once we have the table for our task database, let's start creating a smart list. I prefer to have inbox to show all the tasks without a due date and smart lists to show tasks that are due today, due tomorrow, due in the next 7 days, and to show the tasks that are assigned to me. Now I'll create columns in the task database to help me understand and organize my tasks better. I'm creating a description column to add details about the task, a projects column to organize tasks into projects, an area column to get a better picture as to what area of my life am I working on most, due date column which is obvious, an assigned to column in case we have a team sharing the same task manager, a status column to show the status of the task, whether it is in progress or complete or if it's due to do, an attachments column in case we need to attach a quick reference file related to the task. Let me fill in the table with some dummy content so we can work on the next steps. You can reorganize the columns to your liking, which I'm going to do now. Okay, for those who do not know, you can shrink or expand the contents of all the rows in the table using Wrap Cells toggle. Also, you can type inline emojis in Notion using keyboard shortcuts such as Ctrl plus full stop in Windows and Command Control Space on Mac. I like to color code my status options using these circle emojis. Here, project is something that requires us to complete multiple tasks to complete the project itself. So anything that requires you to perform multiple tasks will be categorized as project. Areas is something that you have to decide. These change from person to person, but for many, work, personal and passion could be the areas. Coming to due date column, in Notion, you will be able to set due date, timeline within which a task has to be performed, and even a reminder for the due date. If you're working with a team, you can even assign tasks to your team member. Now let's start creating our first smart list page. I'm going to convert this text block to a page and then create a 2-column full width page layout. We'll have smart lists on the left and table on the right. Now I'll copy the link to the task database and paste it inside our inbox page to create a linked database. Once that is done, I'm going to apply filter to show only tasks without a due date. Since we do not have any task without a due date, I'm going to have to delete a due date from one of the tasks for this test purpose and see that that appears inside the inbox page. Now we'll have to create text blocks for smart lists again, and do use inline emoji this time for each smart list. Once we have the text blocks for all the smart lists, copy the link to the inbox page and link it to the inbox text block under the smart lists heading. And here comes the fun part. Now we just have to go back to the main task page, duplicate this inbox page, change the name to due today and the icon to match the emoji that we used earlier. and we just have to change the filter to show tasks that are due today. Now copy the link to the due today page and link it to the due today text block under the smart list heading. Now again click on the inbox smart list and this will take you to the inbox page, and link the due today text block under the smart list heading to the copied link. And now we go back to the main page, duplicate the due today page, change the name to due tomorrow and change the icon to match the smart list we created. And then change the filter to show tasks that are due tomorrow. Now copy the link to the page and link it to the due tomorrow text block. Go to due today page, link it to the due tomorrow text block, and repeat the same with the inbox page. Once that is done, we go back to the main page, duplicate the due tomorrow page and rename it to next 7 days and set the page icon as appropriate. And now for this, we have to apply two filters. One is to show tasks that are due within a week, and the other is to show tasks that are due from today. This will confine the tasks that are shown between today and a week from now. For this page, I prefer a gallery view with only due date and status properties shown, and I also apply a sorting based on due date. Please do remember that if you change the view of a database, you need to apply the filters again, which I forgot here. Once that is taken care of, copy the link to the page and link it to the next 7 days text block within this page, inbox page, due today page and due tomorrow page. Once that is done, we go to the main page and duplicate this next 7 days page and rename it to Assigned to Me. And in this page, we're going to apply a filter to show only tasks that are assigned to me. Repeat the same process of linking the page to the text block assigned to me within all the pages. Now let's move on to creating projects. For this, we're going to use a template block. Change the template block name to new project and change the checkbox block to a page block. Oh, I almost forgot to create an all task smart list to go back to the main task page. We need this in every smart list page and projects page, so we have to do this now. For this, all I have to do is copy the link to the main tasks page and create a text block inside every smart list saying all tasks and link the copied link to the text block. Once that is taken care of, we'll have to copy all the smart list text blocks that we created inside any of the smart list page, and we'll go to the template that we created for the projects and paste it under smart list heading. Now we'll copy the link to the task database and paste it inside the template and apply a filter to show tasks only related to a specific project. Once everything is in place, we just have to go back to main page and click on the template button to create a project page. And now all we have to do is change the name of the page and the project inside the filter. That's it guys. Hope this was helpful. Thank you and stay safe.